Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Udaba olufrustrate abantu base-South Africa kakhulu ilolu lama-illegal immigrants. Abantu base-South Africa makukhulunywa ngalolu daba bayayiveza intukuthelo yabo. Yingakho ama-political parties esebenzisa lona as a-campaigning tool. Ngikusho lokhu ngoba mawungabhekisisa kahle uGayton McKenzie before esa-campaigner wayebhizi ethi abahambe kodwa unele wangena kwi-position wathola i-post yokuba uminister, wayesethi yena ngeke enze umsebenzi kaminister we-Home Affairs. Kodwa uyazi ukuthi abantu base-South Africa mawuthinta lolu daba bayathinteka ngoba into lesibahluphile. Ngeke ngaphatheka kabi kule nsuku ezedlule uma ngezwe ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho nje South Africa, i-ANC inesandla ekuthenini abantu base-South Africa bengasebenzi futhi nodaba lama-illegal immigrants elingalawuleki. Ngicela uzwe la.
Would be the period during the economic rebound post-COVID. So Comrade Tito confided to him. He said, no, we can create these jobs within 3 months. I said to him, but what do you mean within 3 months that we can create 2.5 million jobs? He said, I'm sitting with a report as the Minister of Finance that there's more than 2.5 million jobs in this country, elementary jobs, low-level jobs, which are occupied by foreign nationals. And he said, if we can introduce laws to stop that and strengthen the capacity of the Department of Labor with labor inspectorates and make it a crime for appointment of illegal foreign nationals, we will be able to create those jobs within the next 3 months. So it's a burning issue and we need to resolve it.
Angazi noma umzwile nalo baba, kodwa uthi uTito wamtshela une-report ethi more than 2.5 million imisebenzi ngaba khona. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi abafuni ukulwa nalento illegal immigrants, yingakho kusenje. Inkinga esinayo la eSouth Africa eyedlula zonke, there is no political will. There is no political will. Ngicela mina utshele mina, wena nje utshele mina, yini evimbe ANC ukuthi ingayenzi lento eyayisho uTito? Le report athi wayenayo, wayesebenayo isikhathi esingakanani? Okay, ngiya understand this is post COVID bekhuluma. Kodwa ke wayenalo report wayeyithole nini? Yahlala kuyisikhathi esingakanani? Eseyitholile wenzani ngayo? So ingiphathe kabi kakhulu lento ukuze ukuthi how abantu base South Africa bayakhala imisebenzi ayikho. Kanti imisebenzi ikhona, just ukuthi kunabantu nje abangafuni ukwenza umsebenzi wabo ukuze umsebenzi ibe khona. Ebhlungu ke lento mawuyizwa. Angeke ngicaphunele nazi indaba ezenzeke ngapha eKwaZulu Natal. A joint raid by the Umngeni Local Municipality Law Enforcement, SAPS, Home Affairs, private security companies and others at Shiabazali informal settlement has led to arrest of illegal immigrants and closing down of illegal shippings. The operations also led to an arrest of a suspect found with illegal firearm and ammunition and closure of 11 tuck shops selling illicit foods.
So Bafethu, this is how you buy votes in South Africa. You blackmail Bafethu a black mind. You hypnotize a black mind. Bakushayela ilibrary etswekos. Ngathi esesentini. But abantu bahlala. Abantu bhekana ama-drain wabo. So that is how you hypnotize a black mind, Bafethu. Bashayela ilibrary, you buy their votes.
but apha amanzi asinawo njengangoku izulu amanzi bephuma kancinci neetoilet sinengxaki yeetoilet ziyabhloka iitoilet njengangoku ngathi usiya ngoku ngeke ukwazi kwawuflasha umbane hayi ke andithethi ke indaba yombane hayi uthi ngokulayite umbane awusebenzi tu umbane asinawo safana ngathi asinawo uyabona thina besitshelwa apha ngoDisemba oko sasingenambane since ngoDisemba ubona ngubani ngosekubani ngonyaka ngoMdisemba which is ngunyaka asinayo umbane siyasokola apha embaleni nasemanzini aphume kancinci neetoilet hayi ke phandle next sifane siye ngoku iblokile ufane uye etoilet uba lokhu uzoyaphi enjalo.
Mani lana bafethu he decided to take it upon himself. Uyabona ukuthi umphakathi kunzima la emphakathini uyishayela yini pavement la uFruitman or kanjani uFruitman
hayi kunjalo baba
abakusizi ngaphokola abantu
akhona siza ngawo usamende amoshina bakhona ubani funa lamanzi lana ngahambi kwali ndawo yonke nekahamba apha efolweni ahamba straight ngefolo phuma pha ezantsi ongena le emazantsi so ndizama ukontrola wona angahambi yonke indawo
Kivuka bafethu ngisemkhukhulendi lana Sodoma neGomora so bafethu abantu abamnyama bahlala bapinchena abantu abamnyama across the road, not even a kilometer bafethu, just across the road it's a white man who owns 5,000 hectares of land bafethu, and this place is under the DA government. Awekho ama-drain bafethu, ama-toilet awaflasheki, hey imfushu nje. But I'm here bafethu to expose corruption and shenanigans. So bafethu, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour, and it's unfair. That is why I always say, as black South Africans, we need to stop singing the part where it says South Africa, our land, because we are not entitled to any land. Only the minority deserves to sing that part. Tina, we've got nothing to show. Black people have nothing but imkukule. So let me give you a tour without wasting more time. In Boni, so what are we facing in South Africa? That is why South Africa is considered to be the most unequal country in the world. So bafethu sabi muntu thina siyabaslicer. Let's go.
Into sihluphayo bobumdaka nolutha liyachabalala luyaphela ile.
Oh my gosh.
Kuyaphela uba islekhi. Sithenga umkhukhu emkhukhuland. We just bought ourselves a house, land and some land.
No, but Umkhukhu, we mentioned, guys, you can understand Nelsis Velap, but we need to be part of the people to understand the struggle. Yeah.
That's it. People, white people, what is the difference, class? Yeah, Mzazi, so now I'm showing you the opposite of the other side, the Mkhukhu land, all the way to the farmland, Mafetu. This is just one family, one man owning more than 5,000 hectares of land. South Africa is considered to being the most unequal country in the entire globe. So this is one of the reasons, Labafet. Yeah, Bafet. So if you do your comparison between the minority and the black people are under the DA government, Bafet. So these are the only people who are entitled in South Africa, who have the right to sing the last part of the South African national anthem with conviction and pride, hand to heart. South Africa, our land. Black people, we must stop singing.
Cela ukuzuphala kwakho comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lo daba esilixoxayo ngalo kalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.